Was it a what?
Eight.
Augusta University's Book Wyrm Guild hosts exciting game sessions where AU students can learn how to play a new tabletop game every month. For this month, they played a fun classic fantasy game that many of you might have heard of.
Dungeons & Dragons is a collaborative storytelling role-playing game. You're all working together to create the story. You have the Dungeon Master, who's usually going to be the one who knows most of the game, and then the players who try to break that game as often as possible to tell interesting stories together.
And you don't have to travel far to join in on these adventures. The sessions are held at Greenblatt Library in the Creative Technology Lab. They repeat every Saturday from 12 to 4 p.m. Duff says that the club provides members with paper, pencils, and dice.
You just need to bring you and your imagination and be prepared to have an open mind, learn something new, and have fun.
Speaking of having fun, I got the chance to talk to some of the students at the session to learn about why they enjoy the Book Wyrm Guild and tabletop games.
It's a cool place to be. There's cool people. Great start there. It also, helps you learn some new skill sets, new games that you might enjoy, and play with some of your other friends, play at home, play with your family.
And I think that it's a good creative outlet that allows you to think critically and spend time with other people face to face.